Click Device and select Firmware Update. Select loklik iCraft and click the Next button below. Click the USB plug button and select the COM port connected to loklik iCraft in the drop-down box to the left of the USB plug button. Select the latest firmware version in the latest version drop-down box. Click Download below. After the download is complete, the button changes to Update. Click Update to complete the update. No need to perform any key operations on the machine, just wait for the firmware upgrade. Click the plus on the right side of my device to search for cutting machines. Select loklik iCraft. Click Firmware Update. Short press the machine's new task start button 2 times. The machine's Bluetooth light flashes blue, then click Next to connect the device. Select the latest version and latest version. No need to perform other operations. Just wait for the firmware upgrade.